This is for the outside temperature. It's called an ambient sensor, which is in front of the radiator, just behind the bumper. If you think there is a problem with the temperature, then you will need to change that. I just changed mine. It's off about like 4 degrees, so I decided to change it. If you want to know if it's okay or not, you check your Google temperature for your area. If they say difference like 4 or 5 degrees, means the sensor is actually already worn out. I'm going to change the ambient temperature sensor that's down here without removing the bumper. Okay, first you need to remove this. Okay, using a small screw. This cover first. Next, you will remove this bolt, 2 bolts, 2 clip over here, and also over here. Okay, I already removed it. Use a drill to make it easy, and then there you can pull it out. See, you are able to pull it. So, and then after that, you will have an access to your sensor. You see there? So you can get your hands in there. If you're big, then I don't suggest to use this method. You will likely need to remove the whole bumper, but since I don't have such a big hand, my hand fits just right in there. Okay, this is the ambient sensor. To get it out, you have to put your hands in. I had to use 2 hands. If your hands is big again, please do not try this method, because you might get your hands stuck there, or you might damage other things. There's a clip here like this. It's holding the metal that is holding onto. It's not really that thick, so you will need to hold. You need to use 2 hands. One hand is to hold the sensor. The other hand you need to clip this part. So while holding it down, use your other hand, your left hand, to pull it out. I use my left hand to clip it because of the space, and I use my right hand to pull it out. So the cable is long enough for you to take it all the way out. I managed to remove the sensor. It was kind of stuck. So use a electronic contact cleaner, which is safe for plastic and rubber. So what I did was I sprayed at the joints here, at the top, Using a flathead screwdriver, I pushed it in here and played a bit here, like that, while using my left hand to pull this out. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, I already put it back in. Position is in there. I can put my hand in and then just clip it back, and that will be all. And don't forget your nuts here. Maybe set the top at 10 will be enough, because it's a size 10, and the clips there. These are the tools needed to complete the task: a nose plier, small screwdriver, a torque wrench that can go up to 10, size 10. This is only for convenience to open the bolt. You don't need it. If you don't have it, it's fine. This is to clean the sensor when you want to remove it, in case it's stuck. And this is the electric grease is to put it back in the connector socket, so dust and things doesn't get inside there and prevent it from building up. It will be easier for you to take it off later.